Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is me Pratyush, and in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be teaching you how can you create your very own store and simply host it, and also I'm gonna be showing you how can you do print on demand. So with that being said, let's roll the intro. Alright, so this is the final look of our website. As you can see, it is modern, minimal, and you can also purchase directly from over here. So first of all, we will be using Lovable to create the very basic website. So I have got this very basic prompt over here from ChatGPT. You can use Claude also, and then you can choose from any model. For instance, you can choose OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, anything. For instance, we are choosing OpenAI and then hit OK. Now this might take some time to create the entire UI. And this is how the website looks like. As you can see over here, it is quite minimal, and also you can click on here to order now. Also, I have created an entire guides which you can download from the link in the description, which contains the prompt and every single thing you need. And as you can see, it has some customers review, and also here we have this about section which shows everything about our company. Alright, so once the website is set, all you have to do is deploy it using the Netlify. Head over to the Netlify website and click on add a new project. And you can deploy it manually, or also you can use GitHub. So after deploying, you can see your project in the Netlify dashboard section. The next step is to buy a domain and search for a POD service which will help us in satisfying the orders. Alright, so for domain, today we will be using GoDaddy. So head over to the GoDaddy website and simply search for the domain you want. In this case, we will be selecting like No Control, which is the name of our brand. So let's search for the name, and here we go. We have nocontrol.com, .co, .ai with different pricing for multiple years. So you have to pay this much of amount for 3 years. So that's good. Let's see more of them. Alright, so finally I have purchased this nocontrol.live domain, which you can click on over here to manage, and then you can completely manage your website over here. So basically today we will be using this domain to refer it directly to our Netlify website. So what we will be doing is simply copy your DNS from over here, then simply head over to the website you have deployed and go to the domain management. And over here you will see all the DNS and everything. All you have to do is add the domain name, and once you have given all the DNS part, then you are ready to go. Alright, and for the print on demand part, we will be using Printrove, which is an Indian based website. Also there are many options, but for India this is best, I think so, because all you have to do is go over to here, create a free account, and also you can create your designs over here. You can upload your designs in the designs library. So it is easy to simply set it up on a product. You can simply create your product over here. You can add a order over here, manage your order, and simply proceed to the shipment. So once a user places an order, then you will get all the details in your email, and then you can put in or fill in all the details over here manually and then submit it. So if you are living outside India, then you can use Printful, which is a great website. So you can get the most quality product over here. You can upload your design similar to the Printrove, and you can simply place the order and then sell it to them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was really helpful, and if it was, then consider subscribing, hit that like button below. I will meet you in the video. Until then, keep learning. Goodbye.